Dreaming pool, hello and welcome to Dream Interpretation. Today, we will explore the meaning behind dreaming about a pool. Dreaming of a pool often symbolizes emotions, relaxation, or a need for reflection. The state of the pool in your dream can indicate your emotional condition. If the pool is clear and calm, it may represent peace and clarity in your life. A dirty or chaotic pool can reflect emotional turmoil or confusion. Swimming in the pool might suggest you're navigating your emotions with ease. However, struggling in the water may signify challenges in processing your feelings. If you dream of diving into the pool, it could symbolize a deep dive into your subconscious. Standing by the pool without getting in may indicate hesitation in confronting emotions. The pool size can also reflect the scale of your current emotional state. A large pool may represent overwhelming feelings, while a small one suggests minor emotional matters. Thank you for watching. If you've ever had a dream about a pool, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dream interpretations.